The intake air temperature sensor, or EAT sensor, is a critical component that measures the temperature of air entering your engine. When this sensor fails, it creates a cascade of problems throughout your engine's system. The most common symptom of a failing IAT sensor is the check engine light, typically accompanied by diagnostic trouble codes P012 through P0114. These codes specifically indicate problems with the intake air temperature sensor circuit. Beyond the check engine light, you'll notice several performance issues. Poor fuel economy is common, with decreases of 10 to 15%. The engine may idle roughly, have difficulty starting, especially in cold conditions, and produce black exhaust smoke. A faulty IAT sensor disrupts critical engine functions. It affects the fuel mixture and ignition timing, leading to inefficient combustion. In turbocharged engines, it can also impact boost pressure calculations. The long-term consequences of a bad IAT sensor are serious. You may experience engine knock, premature wear of engine components, and increased carbon buildup in the combustion chambers, as shown in this before and after comparison. Diagnosing a bad IAT sensor requires a systematic approach using specific tools and procedures. We'll cover the essential diagnostic steps and proper replacement techniques. First, connect an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. IAT sensor issues typically generate codes in the P010 to P0114 range, with P013 being common for high circuit readings. Next, perform a visual inspection of the sensor and its wiring. Look for physical damage, corrosion, loose connections, or contamination that could affect sensor performance. Use a digital multimeter set to the ohm scale to test the sensor's resistance. IAT sensors use thermistors that change resistance with temperature, typically showing higher resistance when cold and lower resistance when warm. Voltage testing verifies the signal being sent to the ECU. With the sensor connected and engine running, you should see voltage readings between 0.5 and 4.5 volts, varying with temperature changes. When replacing the sensor, use OEM parts for best longevity. Install with proper torque specifications, typically 8 to 12 foot-pounds. Some vehicles require ECU relearning after replacement. Preventive maintenance helps extend sensor life. Replace air filters regularly to prevent contamination and clean accessible sensor elements periodically. Monitor engine performance for early detection of issues.